Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We are going to go over how to purchase, download, go into Silhouette Studio, print, and cut the stickers. So here is my Etsy shop, beeforkstudios. You will go on here, choose the stickers you like. We've got coffee themed, cow themed, bee themed, lemon themed. So here you'll select one, add it to your cart, go through the purchase process. Once you purchase, you will go to your little icon at the top, click on purchases. This will give you the option to download. So you will click download files, and then all the files will be listed here. You will just click download whichever files you want to download, or download them all. Once you have them downloaded, you'll go to your computer files, go under downloads, and the file will be zipped. So you'll click the zipped file, double click that, and then up in the right hand corner is the extract all button. You'll click that, then click extract, and so as you can see, now you have an unzipped file easily accessed. Now we're going to open up Silhouette Studio. You're going to change the size of your project to the size of your sticker paper. So here I'm changing it to 8.5 by 11 because that is the size of my sticker paper. Next, we're going to turn on the registration marks. These are important for you to have on for the print and cut process. Now we're going to input our files. So I'm going to click File, Merge, and then go find my sticker files that I want to use. We're going to remove the header, and then I'm going to turn the file sideways. You can fit 2 printables on one sheet. Just remember, you have to keep your printables within the registration marks. Do not overlap the crosshair marks or go outside of the black lines. So here I'm merging in another file. I'm going to remove the header. Turn these sideways. You might hear some background noise. Sorry about that. It's just my family. Alright, so you can see that these do not quite fit all on one side by side, so you do have to do some finagling with your pieces here to get everything to fit nicely, but it is doable. Just takes a little bit of time. So the most important thing here is if you're wanting these to fit in the 5x5mm dark grid notebooks, you do not resize any of these pieces. They are set perfectly to fit into those spaces. So if you don't care whether they fit or not, you're welcome to resize them. But if you want them to fit, don't resize them. Okay, once you have everything arranged and inside the registration marks, you can print. So you're going to go up to File, Print, Print again, select your printer you want to use, hit Preferences, change your paper type to Premium Presentation Matte Paper, and change your quality to High, and then hit OK, and then Print. Now that you have your page printed, go to your silhouette. On your paper, you'll see a square, a dark black square. That's going to go in the top left corner of your mat. And this took me a couple times to line up just right, but make sure that you can get it as straight as possible. Okay, you're going to load it into your machine. Again, that black square goes into the top left corner. Okay, now we're going to go back to Silhouette Studio. We're going to click Send. We're going to have sticker paper white selected. I'm using the auto blade. My depth is going to be at 2 and my force is going to be set to 8. This for me gives me the perfect kiss cut, so I don't cut all the way through the backing of the sticker paper, just the sticker part. Now click Send. You can see here that the machine is finding the registration marks. And now it's going to cut.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do, I ain't over you. I ain't over, I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you.
Alright, so we've taken the mat out of the machine, now taking the stickers off the mat. And as you can see here, the sticker is perfectly cut. Not cut all the way through the backing, just the sticker paper. This sticker set hasn't released yet. It will be our next release, probably in a week or so. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!